Let's take a look at this multiple choice questions from Farhat Lectures. Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Meridian Bank is attempting to confirm whether a slowdown that began several months ago has developed into a broader contraction. Which combination would provide the strongest lagging confirmation? So here you're looking to figure out, do we have a lagging indicators to confirm that we have a broader contraction? The economy is not expanding, it's contracting. A, falling building permits and declining stock prices. Well, falling building permits is bad news, but building permits is a leading indicator. It's not a lagging indicator. We start with falling building permits, then things will follow. A is out. Rising initial unemployment claim and declining new orders. They have to be careful. Rising initial unemployment claim. Initial unemployment claim is that first week when the person loses their job and they file. It's initial unemployment claim. Yes, that could happen, but if that individual was able to find a job a week later, then basically we don't have a problem. But rising initial unemployment, it's also a leading indicator, not a lagging indicator to confirm. Increasing average duration of unemployment and rising inventory to sales. Yes, this is a lagging indicator. Remember that individual that filed for unemployment and initially we thought this is just a leading indicator? Then this individual 6 months later, they cannot find a job. This is an increasing average duration of unemployment. And if inventory is increasing relative to sales, rising inventory to sales, it means what? It means either we're selling less or we're buying inventory that we cannot sell it. And either way, we are in a contraction. So I would say C is the correct answer choice. Increasing industrial production, that's a positive thing. That's a positive thing. And rising business sales, that's a positive thing. And those are coincident indicators. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, true, false, simulations, cases, AI. For example, on AI, you can ask AI to explain this topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and create a similar MCQ for you. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.